Welcome to Veronica's Little Kitchen. Today we are going to be cooking with ladies' fingers. Some of you might know this vegetable as okra. If you have never cooked ladies' fingers before, then keep watching because I have a very simple but very tasty dish coming up. Some of you may already love cooking ladies' fingers. Some of you might not like it because it can turn slimy when you cook it. If you have not had a good experience with ladies' fingers, don't give up. We will be making fried ladies' fingers with garlic, chili, and onion today. For the ingredients, we will need ladies' fingers, salt, garlic, small onion, red chili, cooking oil, sugar. First, rinse the ladies' fingers and then dry them with kitchen towels. Cut the ends of the ladies' fingers and discard them. Slice the remaining ladies' fingers into 3 cm pieces. Peel the garlic. Thinly slice the peeled garlic. Peel the onions. Thinly slice the peeled onion. Slice the chillies. Heat the oil in a pan. Add the garlic and the onions. until the garlic and onions are turning brown. Add the chillies. Add the lady's fingers. Mix well. Add salt and sugar to taste. Remove from the heat when the lady's fingers is cooked. Fried lady's fingers with onion, garlic and chili is very easy to make and very delicious. I hope you give this recipe a try. Like, subscribe and comment below. Until we meet again. Kesuun! Fried lady's fingers with onion, garlic and chili is very easy to make and very tasty.